Hi everyone. I wanted to just put together a quick video about how to use Virtual Splats, because Virtual Splats, you can use these from home, or you can continue to work and learn about programming even after class is over. So here I have my sorting hat program open, and we're just going to again talk about these Virtual Splats. So we have this tile over here that looks like a splat, and if I click on it, we open up our Splat app, Virtual Splats. So if I run my program, it will actually behave just like I've written my program. So if I click the button, it'll create two random numbers, and then it'll say, oh, you go to the red table, and it'll make a noise. And I can do it again. Oh, you go to the purple table, make a noise. Oh, you go to the red table, and it'll make a noise, right? So we can run our program over here. We can also add more splats if we want. And let's say that we add 6 splats, it starts to get a little crowded. So we can make the size of our splats a little smaller so that we can rearrange them into a order. Something like that. We can change the background to something like fun if we want to. We can also change the background to be different colors if we want to. I personally like the cat. Then again, we can always ID our different splats. We can run our program and do whatever we need to do there. So if you're doing an activity that requires 4 splats, then you can have 4 splats open. If you're doing an activity that requires 3 splats, you can go to 3. This is a great way to be able to test code from home or just play around with it when you have some free time. Okay? Remember, if you're in a class like study hall, it's really important that you're wearing headphones so that you don't disturb those around you. Okay, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Bye-bye.